Question 1. Who was swallowed by a great fish? Moses, Jonah, Elijah, Noah. Jonah. Question 2. What did God create on the first day? Plants, animals, light, humans. Light. Question 3. Who led the Israelites out of Egypt? Aaron, Joshua, Moses, David. Moses. Question 4. Where was Jesus born? Nazareth, Bethlehem, Jerusalem, Capernaum. Bethlehem. Question 5. Who was the first man? Noah, Moses, Abraham, Adam. Adam. Question 6. What is the longest book in the Bible? Isaiah, Psalms, Genesis, Exodus. Psalms. Question 7. Who was thrown into the lion's den? Joseph, Daniel, Elijah, Jonah. Daniel. Question 8. What is the first book of the New Testament? Mark, Luke, Matthew, John. Matthew. Question 9. Who betrayed Jesus? Peter, Judas, John, Thomas. Judas. Question 10. What is the shortest verse in the Bible? Jesus wept. God is love. I am the way. Rejoice always. Jesus wept. Question 11. Who built the ark? Adam, Abraham, Noah, Moses. Noah. Question 12. Who received the 10 Commandments? David, Moses, Aaron, Joshua. Moses. Question 13. Who was the strongest man in the Bible? Saul, Samson, Solomon, Goliath. Samson. Question 14. Who was the wisest king of Israel? Saul, David, Solomon, Rehoboam. Solomon. Question 15. What did Jesus turn water into at the wedding in Cana? Wine, bread, oil, milk. Wine. Question 16. Who wrote many of the Psalms? Solomon, David, Isaiah, Jeremiah. David. Question 17. Who was the first woman? Sarah, Ruth, Esther, Eve. Eve. Question 18. How many disciples did Jesus have? 10, 12, 15, 7, 12. Question 19. Who killed Goliath? Saul, Jonathan, David, Solomon. David. Question 20. What river was Jesus baptized in? Tigris, Euphrates, Jordan, Nile. Jordan.